Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Daz Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then hit that subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family now. So in today's trade talk, we are going to talk about insurance and mutual funds. So is insurance the right investment, or else a mutual fund is the right investment? So my honest opinion on this and my experience, what I've learned from different sources, is that you need to understand one thing: insurance is not just an investment, it's actually a protection. Okay, and mutual fund is definitely an investment. So how do I say this? Okay, example, why do we need an insurance? Okay, insurance is for life protection. Something happens to you, we need an insurance so that you get that money for your treatment, for the hospital's sake, and all the bills, etc. Right? But many of you guys will say that I'm having a money back insurance, so this is an investment. So one thing you need to understand that, for example, you pay for 20 years of LIC, something happens to you, you get money back. Okay, you get the insurance amount. Or else nothing happens to you on a 5 years basis. They'll give you the money in a part by part, and finally they'll give the full settlement. So whatever money you have paid, you will get that money back. But you need to understand, for 20 years, whatever money you paid is not the same money, not the same value, right? Today's 2 lakh rupees, after 20 years, it doesn't have that much value. Right, so you have a sum assured of 2 lakhs rupees, what you're paying monthly or quarterly 3,000, 5,000, and after 20 years you'll get 2 lakh rupees. So that doesn't have any value. So whatever you paid, you are getting it back, right? Or something happens to you, you will get the money back. So insurance is mainly a protection to you. So what I suggest is everyone should have an insurance on you, your family, so that something happens to you accidentally or something happens, touch wood, nothing should happen, but if anything happens, this is a protection for you guys. So insurance is mainly a life protection. Okay, so you should have an insurance, not a money back policy. Understand? If anything happens to you, you need to get money. Have an insurance in such a proper way. Now, when I say money back, instead of money back, consider mutual funds. The money which you are investing, the 2 lakh rupees today, will be 10 lakh rupees after 20 years. For example, this is an example. There are a lot of SIP calculators in the websites, in a lot of websites, example in Zerodha and every other app store. There are a lot of calculators. You can go and type in your money out there. I have so much, in like 5,000 per month after 20 years down the line. Considering the market performance and considering the power of compounding, your 2 lakh rupees will be 10 lakh rupees, and that's called an investment. Yes, there is small risk, but considering 20 years, I would say the markets will definitely go up and you will get more return rather than putting in insurance, putting your 2 lakh rupees, like 3,000 and making 2 lakhs rupees and getting the 2 lakhs back doesn't make any sense. Insurance is a life protection. So many of your friends or your family members, your colleagues will say that I am investing more into insurance. I have 3 policies, money back policies. One is 5 lakh, one is 2 lakh, one is 3 lakh after 10 years, right? But after 10 years, whatever the money you are putting that money in a bit by bit, up to 5 lakhs you are putting from your pocket, right? Maybe 5-10,000 extra you're paying, but that is not worth it. Only if there is something to you, to your life, you need to get money, then insurance is the best thing, and everyone should have insurance covered with their life. But when I say investment is totally different. So do not put insurance into investment. Investment should be in another way. I would say mutual fund is the best way to have a safe investment when comparing to you're saying that if you are putting money in insurance. So always avoid all those bad insurance where you are paying policies, 3-4 insurance, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, same old insurance, considering money back. Have a life cover, adequate life cover, how much is required as per your earnings, and remaining money, if you want to invest, then invest in mutual fund, which will definitely give you a return 5 years down the line. Considering on a monthly basis you're investing, let the stock price go up, you're investing, and when the stock price goes down, you're investing the fund price. So you are not buying the 2 lakh rupees here, you're buying at every value, So end of the day, the average is calculated, so it is more safer for you guys, considering the risk involved in this mutual fund. The return you're getting is more. So I hope this is an eye-opener for most of you guys. And also I had a very funny question by one of my friends saying that, okay, Dias, you're saying that insurance is not so, do not buy this money back insurance. Why should I pay insurance and nothing happens to me for a year, and again I'm gonna renew it and nothing happens to me, the money is wasted? So I remember I answered him with one example which I remembered in one of the sessions which I heard. They gave me an example where they spoke about a CCTV camera. So in your house, you, for example, consider you have installed CCTV cameras at your home. You spend 15-20,000 and spend, or 1 lakh rupees, and put nice CCTV cameras at home. 1 year over, 2 year over, you will do the maintenance. Will you complain saying that none of the robbers came to my home, no one did robbery, I couldn't capture anything, I've just kept this for show? Will you complain that? No, right? You would be happy rather, right? Same way, if nothing is happening to your life for 12 months, right? Be more happy. It's a God's gift. If nothing is happening to you, you're very lucky. Be happy for whatever you paid. Be happy nothing happened to you. If anything happens, you will be definitely covered. If nothing happens, be happy, and you're just putting a protection money. That's it. Rather than saying I will put money and I will get money back also. It's not at all an investment. If something happens to you, even in this policy, you will get money back. But rather, if you're putting the 2 lakh rupees example in mutual fund, it will be around 10 lakh rupees 20 years down the line. This is just an example. There are a lot of market risk and many other considerations. Maybe it may go to 20 lakh, 30 lakh, or maybe it's 5 lakh or 6 lakh. Depends. You can go to all the websites and at least find, go into Google, type SIP calculators and put monthly investment. For example, you plan to save 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 per month. Put that and see the amount of tenure. You will get a basic idea of where you stay. And when you should invest, it's not yet late. It's the right time. Even if you've wasted your time, your 30s, your 40s, or 50s, the right time to invest. Start investing on a monthly basis. If you are in 28, in the 20 range, then it's really good. Every month, 5,000, 10,000 from your pocket, saving into mutual fund. At least 10 years down the line, you will be a crorepati. Okay, so the earlier you start, it's more good for you guys. So that's the reason I'm trying to tell you. So hope this is an eye-opener for most of you guys. Please do share this video with all your friends in your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, and all other groups, so that they also understand and not waste their money only into insurance, and then understand mutual funds also. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this was helpful. Please hit that like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.